Hey everyone, so awesome to see you all again. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of enabling duplicate tagging for P and ID objects in AutoCAD Plant 3D. This allows you to assign duplicate tags to a P and ID object, but only for new tags. The existing ones will remain as they are. Let's get started. First, open the file processpower.dcf from your project folder. This file contains all the necessary P and ID project data. To manage our P and ID project database, we'll use an SQLite database browser like SQLite Expert Personal. If you're working with an SQL Server project, make sure you use SQL Server Management Studio instead. Next, open the processpower.dcf file. For SQL Server Projects database file is named as _PNID. The prefix could be the project name, and this is where the P and ID data is stored. Now switch to the PNP tag in listed columns table. This table holds the settings for the P and ID objects in your project. Look for the row with the P and ID object class that you want to allow duplicated values for, such as hand valve. Make a note of its PNPID value. Now delete this row. Simply select it and press delete on your keyboard. This step removes the restriction for allowing duplicates on this specific PNID object class. Next, switch to the PNP base table. This table holds the base data for all your PNID objects. Search for the row that matches the PNPID value you noted earlier and delete it. This will allow you to use duplicate tags for new objects going forward. After completing these steps, you've enabled duplicate tagging, but only for new tags. The previous tags will remain unchanged. And that's it. You have successfully enabled duplicate tagging for P and ID objects in your AutoCAD Plant 3D database. Remember, this will apply only to new tags, not to the ones already assigned. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us out. Make sure to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on our latest videos. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one. See you soon.